Good morning and welcome back to another session of Learning and Fun with Literacy. Today, I'm Miss Allison, and today we're going to focus on how reading and writing, they go together. Both are ways to communicate information, tell stories, and represent spoken words. Children, they learn language and learn printed letters for spoken words as they become more aware of print in their everyday lives. They see parents and caregivers read books, road signs, and even labels. They also see parents and caregivers make notes, reminders, and even lists. And these are all ways that help in writing skills. Today we are going to learn some pre-writing skills and activities. Pre-writing skills are necessary before the formation of letters and handwritings can even begin. Children need strong hand and muscle coordination with their fingers to be able to write. In addition to strength building, these activities also support the necessary skills of fine motor that they need to be able to write. Now, our first activity is actually going to be with Play-Doh. So your child gets to have fun with Play-Doh, and we're going to use a quarter. And this helps with muscle coordination in their hands and their fingers that they will need in order to be able to write. So first you're going to do is you're going to hide the quarter in the Play-Doh, squish it up, and then you're going to allow your child to find it. And then once they find it, then they're going to hide it for you to be able to find it. And so it gives you a chance to interact with your child. Now working with Play-Doh is great because, like I said, it does the hand muscles and works the finger muscles, so it works two different ways. Our next activity is going to be with pom-pom balls, clothespins, and cups. And so what you're going to do is you're going to dump all of your pom-poms out in different sizes, and you're going to allow your child to put each one of the pom-poms in the cup. Now younger children, this is for younger children that they can start by putting them in the cup. This is early on. More advanced children can actually use the clothespins to pick the pom-poms up and put them in there. It helps that they have better coordination. It helps with coordination and with their muscle strength. Also, they can work with putting the clothespins on the cup. And this helps with more advanced coordination and muscle strength. And you can use different colors, different sizes. The more advanced your child is, the bigger or the smaller you can use for the pom-poms, and the more variation you can use with these different materials.